Chatting in a coffee shop, sitting by the windowsill, walking down.
Close the chat. Okay, so click continue. Click continue.
Click continue. Okay, so I'm a work in progress. That's nice.
And then click play.
So I'm gonna go to play.
And then click
So far,
select.
so good. What am I gonna select?
Click select. And then just, do you want to name it that, or what do you want to name it?
Happy Home of Robloxia.
Do you want to name it that?
Let's name it Adorables.
Adorables? Okay.
So I'm gonna name it Adorables.
Okay.
So Adorables. Whoop whoop.
Okay, and now click continue.
Wow, that's so cute.
15 minutes later.
This game is fun.
Yes, I know, right?
I love this.
Okay, we are finally at the beach. Are you happy, Mom?
I'm so happy. I love the beach. Oh, look at that Ferris wheel. I can't wait to eat. I'm starving.
Do you want to get ice cream?
Yes, please.
Let's get ice cream.
Okay, as long as
What
they're
do you
box,
want?
I'm good with that. I'll go for chocolate.
Chocolate. Woo!
I love my ice
Do
cream.
you want to eat this on the Ferris wheel?
Is that a good idea?
We should eat on the bench.
Let's eat on the bench, enjoy the waves, hear the sounds. This city is so cute. I'm so happy to be at Bloxburg. This is so cool. Yum, yum, yum. But I'm bored. Why am I bored? I don't want to be stinky.
Look at the
Woo! Here we go. It's going. This is the slowest Ferris wheel I've ever been on.
Well, I think we're going to end this video here. It was really fun to film with me and my mom.
Thanks, adorabiiee. This was so great. Love you, adorables.
Comment down below if you guys want any more videos with my mom. I think that'd be really fun.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to adorabiiee.
Have a great day, adorables.
Bye.